So when we talk about boolean, there are three different operators we need to use. Now this sounds complicated, but it generally is dead easy. We have and, or, and not. Let me put this into a context. When we actually use problem statements when it comes to computer science, we need to express them in like computer science language. So let me show you an express problem statement here. Have a look at it. It's to do with our umbrella scenario, that we take out the umbrella if it's raining or if the forecast is going to rain. Now, let's have a look at what we've got. Take umbrella. What that basically means is, as you know, we're going to take our umbrella outside. And we're going to do it, well, my bad. We're going to do it, let me just get my pointer out. If this is true. So we're going to do it if it's raining or the weather forecast is going to rain. If those two things, if one of those two things is true, then this will become true. So let me show you. You look outside, it's raining. Automatically, that will become true. Let's imagine that this was false. So we look outside, it's not raining, so I'm going to write F for false down there. But we also look at the forecast, and it's going to rain, true. Because we've got an or, either that one or that one needs to be true in order for us to take out our umbrella. So let's change this to and. I haven't got my little pad, so I'm writing really slowly. We're going to take our umbrella if it's raining and the forecast is rain later. So let's imagine this scenario. Imagine it's not raining at the moment, but it is forecast to rain. Unfortunately, we're not going to take out umbrella. It's going to be false. Why? Because of the and. Both propositions, proposition number 1 and proposition number 2, both need to be true in order for me to take out my umbrella. So it needs to be raining now and it needs to be raining later in the forecast. So imagine that, another scenario, let's just cross this out, that it is raining now, heavily, but in the forecast, it's not going to rain later. We're not allowed to take out umbrella because of the and. Both of them have to be true. It has to be raining now and in the forecast later because of this and we're using. If we change it back to an or, now we can take out umbrella because it's raining now, or we're going to take out umbrella if it's in the forecast later. So that's great, true. Let's look at the next scenario, the air conditioning. This is slightly different. So the scenario is our air conditioning is going to turn on if we're in office hours and the temperature is greater than 25 degrees Celsius. So at a weekend, let's imagine it's Saturday. So I'm going to write S for Saturday. Office hours is false. We're not in office hours at the moment. But it's 28 degrees in the office. The aircon is not going to turn on. Remember what I said? Both these factors need to be true for using an and. So if it was Monday and it's 28 degrees, this will be true and this will be true. So the aircon will turn on. Let's imagine that it was office hours, so Monday, but we're not, but we're not at 28 degrees, we're at 10 degrees. So that's going to be false. The aircon is not going to turn on, which is what we want. Perfect. But what happens, let me just clear everything. What happens if this was an or? How's that going to change it? So, office hours is true. Let's imagine we're Monday. and the temperature in the office is a cold 10 degrees. The aircon is going to turn on. The reason is because it's or. So either that one has to be true or that one has to be true. As long as one of them is true, the aircon will turn on. You see the problem with that?